Welcome to K-Site project. My name is Taras and I'm introducing my folder and repository transformation engine built in Python and fully automated through GitHub Actions or desktop applications for Linux and Windows. This is part 2 and I'm introducing my K-Site private solution, which is a fully automated pipeline of creating an indexed zip folder of your repository. You can have that through standard download zip, but then you just get a standard zipped repository. And in case of my solution, through pre-built pipeline, you will get an indexed folder. All you need to do is just to update your content or several files in it. And once it's done, you will have an output like that, which is an indexed zip folder that would allow you to see what's inside once you unzip its content through static and dynamic indexes. Static allows you to see the tree of the repository dash folder, and it will open the files in it in a separate tab. So it doesn't work for all the files, but it will work for some of those. Meanwhile, the dynamic one allows you to see the content of some of the files right there. So it allows you to be able to get a structured overview of what you have in your folder. That's it for now, and next to come I will describe my desktop applications for Windows and Linux. Those are just 10 megabyte transformation engines that allow you to work with desktop folders. Thank you for watching.